I'll just do it extemporaneously from the heart, because that's the way it probably comes out best. The tenets that I hold most dear, and it's not just with Floyd's, but it's any business, is honesty, professionalism, and integrity. My dad always said, if you don't have integrity, you have nothing. And I have found all of those here at Floyd's. These cars today are so complicated that the garage and shade tree mechanic, that just doesn't fly anymore. So our cars have been entrusted to Carlos for over a decade. And I'll give you an example. We had, operative word, a 2003 Toyota Tundra, 330,000 miles on it. Very well taken care of, ran great, and when it came time to sell that, Carlos goes, "I'll buy it." And I said, "You want to buy it?" He goes, "I want to buy it. I'll use it as a shop truck." And I said, "Why do you want to buy it?" And he goes, "George, I've been taking care of that truck for probably 150,000 of those 330,000 miles. Number one, I know you take care of it. And number two, I know what care it's received when it's been here." So that kind of trust is rare. We all have our auto mechanic horror stories. I certainly do. None of those have happened here. I don't find that I need to go anywhere else except Floyd's Auto Repair.